The TrueUSD coin was launched on the Tron network, but it expanded to other networks to make it more accessible to DeFi. TrueCoin LLC also issued TGBP, TCAD, and TAUD. There are plans to issue TEUR and THKD in the future. All users will be eligible for bank wire transfer redemptions, the same as TrueUSD. In this video, I'll tell you all you need to know about TUSD and how you can use it as a secure way to buy and sell crypto. But before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks. TUSD is a crypto stablecoin used for trading and storing value. If a trader makes a successful trade and wants to cash out, TUSD will offer them the full dollar value without any volatility. Centralized and decentralized exchanges both primarily use crypto stablecoins as an on and off ramp for trading other cryptocurrencies. Stablecoins are great for instantly settling transactions. Traders can easily get in and out of trades using stablecoins without waiting for wire transfers, which usually take 1 to 2 business days. Before stablecoins existed, users could only trade between volatile cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or directly sell their crypto for cash, which tends to be more complicated and less efficient. If a trader wants to sell a Bitcoin at $40,000, it's most efficient to have an exit currency that allows them to obtain the full value of their Bitcoin. For example, if the Bitcoin price is 40,000 USD and the trader wants to sell it right then they can obtain that 40,000 USD in USDT on Phemex instantly. From here, they would have several options. They could look for another trade opportunity with Bitcoin or another crypto. They could use one of the earn crypto options for steady returns. They could use Phemex's OTC service to transfer the fiat amount to their bank account, or they could easily convert to TUSD and use the TrustToken app to transfer their money to their bank account. When a trader holds TUSD, they can redeem it for the full USD amount to their bank account, minus fees charged by the bank. If we compare TrueUSD with USDT, many would argue that TrueUSD has an advantage because it's fully fiat-backed, while USDT is partially crypto-backed. The major difference between TrueUSD and USD coin, or USDC, is that TUSD offers wire transfers to the user's bank account. Many see TUSD's full transparency, legal compliance, and native app for easily buying and selling with your bank account as reasons to trust and use TUSD over other stablecoin options. TUSD stablecoins are not actual dollars, but they can be redeemed for their equivalent value. TUSD is a token available on multiple blockchains and can be transferred from one crypto wallet to another. TUSD uses smart contracts on its respective networks to retain its peg to the dollar. Volatile cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum can go up and down in value very quickly, while the TrueUSD price is always $1. If a user holds $100 of Ethereum, then the next day it could be $110, it could be $90. The volatility makes the price go up and down very quickly. But if a user holds $100 of TUSD, the next day, it's still $100 to USD for as long as they hold it. There's controversy surrounding the backing of digital stablecoins because they're programmable digital currency. This means that broadly speaking, core developers of the stablecoin could mint as many stablecoins as they want, even if they aren't actually backed by anything. This is why users tend to place more trust in stablecoins that are completely transparent with their backing method and routinely checked by third parties. To provide collateral, stablecoins can have multiple forms of backing. First is fiat backing. The stablecoin is backed by the equivalent value in dollars. The company has to hold the dollars in their bank reserve for every digital dollar that they mint. There's also crypto backing. The stablecoin is backed by the value of other cryptos, such as Bitcoin. In the case of stablecoins pegged to crypto, the company generally has to hold crypto reserves in a much higher value than the number of tokens that they mint, due to the volatility of different cryptocurrencies. They could go down significantly, and the company needs to have at least enough to back however many tokens they've minted. There's also commodity backing, where a stablecoin is backed by a certain commodity, such as oil, gold, etc. There's also arithmetic backing, where the stablecoin is backed by another token that's related to that token. Arithmetic stablecoins sometimes lose their peg and have to be restored using other assets. TUSD is a fiat-backed stablecoin. Some argue that this is the best variation of a stablecoin because the company that issues it can provide a proof of funds to any financial regulatory body such as FinCEN. This can boost confidence in traders who need a reliable store of value either in between trades or in between trading and converting to fiat. As a crypto stablecoin, TUSD can suffer from the downsides of the respective network it runs on. For instance, if a trader is using the ERC20 version of TUSD on Ethereum, they could spend $50 to $100 on gas fees transferring between wallets. One way to save on these gas fees is to keep all of your trading on the single platform, such as Phemex, and then when you're ready to convert to fiat, make one single transfer to your TrustToken app when you want to cash out. This will only cost you a flat $15 TUSD fee. TrueUSD is a product of TrueCoin LLC, which is a US-based company. It's run by a Silicon Valley entrepreneur and crypto veteran, Raphael Kazman. Kazman used to work for Google in the artificial intelligence department, and he also worked for Peter Thiel's Palantir Technologies before he went on to create TrueCoin LLC. The team's intentions were to create a mix between utility and value in the crypto industry. The first test version of the product was released in late 2017, and the TUSD stablecoin went live in March 2018. It's grown considerably over the last 4 years to a more than $1 billion market cap. TrueUSD differs from other stablecoins because it's fully backed by cash reserves and a US-based registered LLC. The company is compliant with government bodies such as the US Financial Crimes Enforcement Network and the Bank Secrecy Act. Users who use the TrustToken app to cash out to their bank account have to complete KYC in order to comply with regulations the TrueCoin LLC adheres to. TrueCoin LLC collaborates with Cohen & Co., a major US-based accounting firm that verifies all mints of TUSD are 100% backed by USD reserves. Other stablecoins issued by the company, such as TGBP, TCAD, and TAUD, also have equal financial backing and adhere to the same financial regulatory standards. Since TUSD is government compliant and every dollar minted is backed, this begs the question, how does TrueUSD make money? The answer is that they charge a certain percentage fee to investors who request them to mint new tokens. The TrustToken app is a TrueUSD wallet that allows users to deposit and withdraw TUSD and other assets by the company. If a user wants to cash out their TUSD, they can have it wire transferred to their bank account by registering for a free account. There are two options to cash out: individual and business. If a user links an individual account, it has to be tied to their real name and match the data they provide to the company. If they register a business account, they can transfer larger amounts to a bank account registered to a business. Funds will be transferred after an audit, which can take a few hours, and there are transfer fees. Domestic US transfers cost $30, and international transfers cost $100. Users also have to pass KYC requirements before they're allowed to withdraw fiat dollars. So to sum everything up, TrueUSD stands out by complying with financial regulations in the US and other places in the world, and offering immediate bank transfers directly from their LLC to users' personal bank accounts. Most stablecoin companies only deal with businesses, such as crypto exchanges, while TrueUSD adds a personal touch and redeems customers' funds personally. The TUSD currency is fully backed by USD reserves and is frequently audited by top accounting firms in the US. The appeal of this currency is that risk is significantly reduced for investors, and they can feel safe holding large amounts of money for extended periods of time. So that's all about TUSD for today. If you want to know more about it, you can go check out their own website and documentation. One more note, as I mentioned before, TUSD is an available stablecoin option on Phemex, so if you think this is a stablecoin you'd like to use, you can use it there. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.